When an aide has clock out, you will see the icon for the visit that is in progress. If this is on a previous day, then you can go ahead and fix it. If it's on today and they have forgotten to clock out, you should just contact the aide and ask them to go ahead and finish out the visit. If they are in the app, the CareChamp app, when they touch the client's name, they will get a prompt telling them that they went over the time for the visit and asking if they want to go ahead and complete the visit with the total scheduled time. They should say yes, and that will complete the visit. If they do telephony, then you may have to go ahead and complete it for them, but you want to make sure that you wait until they've actually it so you know what time to put as the end time for the visit. So with the visit that they forgot to clock out of, you will click on that visit. You will click up at the top of the screen, the edit button, and you will see all the information about the visit here. This visit was started with EVV technology, so we can leave all of that information. So the only thing we need to change is the end time. This visit was scheduled for 1 hour, so we are going to make the end time 3:59. And the other thing you need to change besides the end time is going to be the EVV end, and this will always be manual when the aide has forgotten to clock out. That means that you are entering the time manually, and it was not done with EVV technology. So you're doing it manually, so we will put manual. And then anytime you have either one of these items up here with manual, you need to put in the change reason down here. So the change reason in this case is going to be caregiver error and forgot to clock out. Okay. The other thing that we can do is we can load the tasks. Sometimes they'll show up here, and if they don't, it might be because there are 2 aid plans. If there are 2 aid plans, it will show you the employee number and the date on there. So you can click on reload the tasks, and it will reload the task for that particular plan. Then you can click on check all if the aide completed all the tasks. If they didn't, then you can leave the 2 of them, or you can leave however many unchecked for the indicate the ones that they did not complete. Then you can say why they didn't complete it. And then you're done. So let's review again the things we needed to change in order to complete a visit manually where the aide forgot to clock out. We put in the actual end time, and this is the end time that the aide left the client home. We changed EVV end to be manual. Optionally, if we wanted to indicate tasks, we could load and check those. And then down in the bottom, we put the change reason as caregiver error and the change memo as forgot to clock out. Once all of that is done, you will click on Update Visit. And you will see that that visit has now changed. The icon is no longer indicating that it is in progress. It now shows that it has been revised. And this revised icon means that you have revised it in the office. So that visit is now completed and ready to go.